Thank you for joining us. This video is part of a series to help you set up and use your Revitive circulation booster. In this video, we will share our top tips on how to supercharge your therapy and get the most benefit from your Revitive circulation booster. Tip 1. Hydration. Hydrating your body is like supercharging the device's stimulation. You'll be able to get a stronger muscle contraction by being well hydrated, as the foot pad stimulation will more easily pass through your skin and into your leg muscles. So drink a glass of water, preferably 30 minutes before your Revitive therapy, and apply moisturizer to the soles of your feet. Tip 2. Turn the intensity level up, right up. Revitive goes from intensity level 1 right up to 99. You want to achieve the strongest tolerable leg muscle contraction, as this increases the oxygenated blood flow to your legs and feet. Try increasing the intensity by 5 each day. Tip 3. Use daily. You need to use Revitive every day for at least 30 to 60 minutes. Try to use Revitive for 2 30-minute sessions each day, one in the morning and one in the afternoon or evening. Tip 4. Plan for results in 6 to 8 weeks. But for people with medical conditions, this may take up to 12 weeks. The fact is that clinical studies show that if you use Revitive at least once a day for 6 to 8 weeks, you'll feel better and can start getting back to doing the things you love. These are our 4 top tips to help you get the most benefit from your Revitive. Visit the website today and subscribe for more helpful tips.